Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on Hugging Face just yesterday, published on June 16, 2026, tackles a major challenge in artificial intelligence, which is scaling up a model's thinking time without dramatically slowing it down. This paper is titled LoopCoder-v2, Only Loop Once for Efficient Test Time Computation Scaling. By utilizing a parallel loop transformer, which is a design that runs repeated layers of a neural network in parallel to save time, the authors show that a two-loop model boosts a difficult software engineering benchmark from 43 to 64 points. Surprisingly, adding 3 or more loops actually degrades performance. We will explore how this unexpected bottleneck happens, and as we will see, the internal diagnostics reveal a very clear trade-off between representational gains and structural costs. For those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates how the parallel loop transformer framework balances efficiency and performance through a gain and cost trade-off. The left panel shows how parallel loops maintain stable latency and key value cache memory. The middle panel demonstrates why two loops are optimal because the representational benefits of further looping decrease while the mismatch cost remains constant. This explains why higher loop counts actually harm performance, as detailed in the right panel's diagnostics. Table 1 highlights how the parallel loop transformer achieves near constant costs compared to standard sequential looping. While sequential looping scales latency and key value cache memory linearly with the loop count, the parallel loop transformer keeps both independent of the loop count. This parallel design runs everything in one pass, which matches the latency of a non-looped baseline. By shifting the input at each boundary, the model bypasses the usual sequential bottleneck. This table compares LoopCoder-v2 against other systems on key coding benchmarks. Our 7 billion parameter models at the bottom highlight the power of this looped configuration. For instance, on the SWE Bench Verified benchmark, which tests real-world software engineering problem-solving, the double-loop model reaches 64%. This result is a massive leap from the 43% scored by the baseline. However, adding extra loops regresses performance back down to 28%. Figure 2 explains this drop-off by tracking the internal representation changes across different loops. In Panel C, the scale-free effective rank, which measures the diversity of information in the model's representations, peaks clearly at loop 2 and then declines. Meanwhile, Panel B shows that updates after loop 2 point in opposite directions, which means the extra loops cause representations to oscillate rather than refine. Figure 3 visualizes this gain-cost trade-off as a pair of scissors. The blue curve tracks the per-loop refinement gain, which collapses dramatically after loop 2. Meanwhile, the red dashed line represents the cross-loop position offset cost, which is the structural penalty introduced by mismatching sequence positions. Because this structural penalty remains high and roughly fixed, the cost quickly dominates any tiny refinement benefits from a third or fourth loop. Ultimately, these findings show that looping exactly once strikes the ideal balance for efficient latent computation, since additional loops introduce diminishing returns that cannot overcome the fixed positional mismatch cost. That wraps up this look at parallel loop transformers. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.